Sweetest sorry ever. Can one melted ice cream fix a broken heart? Hello there! Welcome to the J channel for kids, where we learn, laugh, and grow kinder every single day. Are you ready for another heartwarming summer adventure? Let's begin! It was summer fair day on Maple Street. Colorful banners waved in the warm breeze. Music played from small speakers. The smell of popcorn and sweet treats filled the air. Leah, Max, Toby, and Mira walked together, excited to try every game. I want cotton candy, Max shouted. I want to win a prize, Toby said. I want to try face painting, Mira added. Leah smiled. Let's stay together. They played ring toss. They tried balloon darts. They laughed at the dunk tank. Then they reached the ice cream stand. One triple chocolate cone, please, Max said proudly. The vendor handed him a tall, swirly cone. But as Max turned around, he accidentally bumped into Leah. The ice cream slipped. Splat! Chocolate ice cream landed on Leah's brand new summer dress. Everything went quiet. Max froze. Leah stared down at the brown stain spreading across her yellow dress. You ruined it, she said softly. I didn't mean to, Max replied quickly. But you weren't careful, Leah said, her voice shaking. Max's face turned red. I said I'm sorry. Well, sorry doesn't clean my dress. The friends stood awkwardly. Mira gently whispered, maybe we should give them space. Max walked away, feeling terrible. He didn't mean to ruin Leah's dress. He didn't mean to ruin the day. He sat on a bench near the carousel. Toby joined him. You okay? Toby asked. Max looked down. I messed up, Toby nodded. So what can you do? Max thought hard. He remembered Grandma Rose's words, kindness grows when we care. He stood up suddenly. I have an idea. Max used the rest of his allowance to buy a new vanilla cone. But this time, he also bought a napkin, a small flower from the flower booth, and a ribbon. He tied the ribbon around the napkin and placed the flower beside the cone. He found Leah sitting quietly near the lemonade stand. He walked slowly toward her. I know sorry doesn't clean your dress, Max began. But I want to try again. He handed her the cone carefully. And I'll help you wash it when we get home. Leah looked at the cone, then at Max, then at the flower. You used your allowance? She asked. Max nodded. I didn't mean to hurt you. Leah took a deep breath. I know, she smiled a little. Next time, just turn slower. They both laughed. Toby and Mira cheered from behind. The day wasn't ruined. It just needed forgiveness. As the sun began to set, the friends rode the Ferris wheel together. Max held his cone very carefully, and Leah held her brother's hand. Because sometimes the sweetest treat is not ice cream. It's saying sorry and meaning it. Let's rhyme together. If you make a small mistake, fix it kindly for love's sake. Say sorry true, not just pretend. That's how broken hearts can mend. The play break. Stand up. Pretend to hold a big ice cream cone carefully. Turn slowly without dropping it. Put your hand over your heart. Can you feel the love? Practice saying, I am sorry. I am sorry. Now give yourself a gentle hug. Wonderful job! Words of the day from the learning section before we end our story. Let's read 5 words of the day together. Repeat after me and let's giggle while we learn. Sorry. Say sorry. Your turn. Forgive. Say forgive. Your turn. Sweet. Say sweet. Your turn. Careful. Say careful. Your turn. Love. Say love. Your turn. That was an amazing reading. Let your kindness be a daily sunrise, rising quietly, shining gently, and warming every heart it touches. Let's spread a dash of kindness every day. Happy summer! Please like and subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thanks for watching.